Good evening. Do you have any rooms available tonight?
Good evening. Yes, we do. Would you prefer a single room or a double room?
A double room, please. I'll stay for 2 nights.
Great. One double room for 2 nights.
How much is the room per night?
It's $120 per night.
Does the room include air conditioning?
Yes, all our rooms have air conditioning and free Wi-Fi.
Perfect. Is breakfast included in the price?
Yes, breakfast is included. It's served from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Wonderful. Can I check in now?
Of course. May I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your room key. You'll be in room 305 on the 3rd floor.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Hello. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. How are you today?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. What would you like to drink?
I would like a cappuccino, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
That will be $3.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your coffee will be ready soon.
Thanks a lot.
Here's your cappuccino. Enjoy.
Oh no, the elevator stopped. What happened?
Don't worry. It looks like we're stuck.
This is scary. What should we do?
Stay calm. Let's press the emergency button.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we're stuck in the elevator. Please help us.
Thank you for helping. I feel better now.
Don't worry. Help is coming soon. We'll be out in no time.
Good morning, sir. May I talk to you for a minute?
Good morning. Sure, please come in.
I would like to ask for a day off next Monday.
I see. May I know the reason?
I have a family event to attend.
All right. Thank you for informing me in advance. Your leave is approved. Please make sure your tasks are finished before Friday.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Good morning. Nice to meet you.
Good morning. Please have a seat. Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, my name is Anna. I studied business and I have 2 years of office experience.
What are your strengths?
I am hardworking, organized, and good at teamwork.
Thank you, Anna. We will contact you soon.
Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing from you.